To make video calls in the Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can do this, for example, by using Google Meet. This is the default application that is available when you open Contacts. And how it actually works, well, you have to go for the contact that you want to make this call. And when the video button is available, it means that the receiver, this specific contact, get support for a Google Meet. Because if you got this support and the second person doesn't have it, you will be not able to make a phone call using the Google Meet. So we can just use like WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or any other application that both of you use. So in this case, I can just click on it and I will be redirected here. I have to create and share a link. There we go. So now I have to copy this link and send to this person, so he will be able to join the Google Meet application. I can share by using this button, so I can send this to him by using messages, email, quick share, Bluetooth, Google Drive, or whatever you are actually using. And after that, you have to click on the join, and now you are just waiting for a second caller. And that's pretty much it. After he join, you can also click join, and you will be welcome with this meet.